you guys know what actually the market situation is. Is this the right time to come to Germany or not? If you have already made your mind that yes, I will be in Germany, I will go and work there, then what are the things you need to keep in mind? Seeing the situation on a daily basis, I've been working here for the last 4 years and I know exactly what the market situation is. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Desi Videsi Girl. So today I will be addressing a very important topic. I don't like making the videos which are really disheartening, but I have to make this video because I think a lot of people need to know this. It is about the current market situation in Germany. If you guys have never seen a video of mine before, let me introduce myself. My name is Koel Mukherjee. I have been staying and working in Germany for the last 4 years, and in this channel you would find a lot of videos which will help you if you are planning to move to Germany, and if you're already in Germany, my videos will help you to know a bit more about Germany. From the kind of messages I am getting on a daily basis, what I am able to realize is that a lot of people are still in the bubble and they are not able to understand what the real market situation is. I want to keep this video really short because a lot of things I have already told in my previous videos, but this is very important, guys. Please watch this video, share this video with everyone whom you know are wanting to come to Germany right now. I can surely tell you that this video is going to be really helpful for all of you guys. First thing I would like to tell you is it's not your fault. You guys are not at fault because the way German government is advertising that there is so many opportunities, we have more than 50,000 jobs that are waiting for you guys. So we have this, chance carte or opportunity card for you people. We have reduced the number of years in which you can get citizenship. So these are very lucrative things for everyone. But there are a lot of catches which the government doesn't say. I can tell you few things very clearly and I will not tell you in a sugar-coated way. The very first thing is that if you want to come to Germany and as a software developer, right now the market situation is not good for you people. And will the market situation improve? Yes, it will improve, but right now it is not the right time to come to Germany. If you are okay with this thing, that if you do not find a job within the 1 year of time that you have, you can move back to your country easily. It will not create much of a trouble in your life. Then fine, come, try, because in all my videos I have told you guys that it is worth giving it a try. It is worth coming out of your comfort zone, moving to another country, work there, know about their culture. So I have always been motivating you guys about moving to Germany or any other country. But again, it's me only who is telling you guys that wait for some time. If you are not able to take the risk, then don't come to Germany right now. But who can come? So if you have some kind of degree in nursing, then this is the right time for you guys to come, because there is huge demand for plumbers, nurses here. I would also say there is requirement of engineers also in Germany, but again there are so many people right now fighting for the position. It has literally become cluttered. There is so many people applying for jobs. It is really suffocating. You will get frustrated, guys. Enough of disheartening news. Sorry guys, I didn't want to dishearten you, but this is the fact. I don't want you people to come here, fall in the trap, because I'm seeing a lot of agencies are promoting that there are a lot of jobs in Germany. Move to Germany. They will take a lot of money from you guys and then you will struggle here. And another thing I would like to tell you is that it's not enough just getting a job in Germany. The first 6 months, which is the probation period, is really very important. So when I moved here, I first started working on a startup, and I have myself seen that people are getting fired on the last day when they would be completing their probation period. It is not like that the managers were not aware or the CEO and CTOs were not aware. They knew that we will not be making this employee permanent, but since they had this 6 months of time period, they utilized it completely. They made the employee work for entire 6 months, and then on the last day the employee was fired. I don't want to scare you guys. Literally, I won't gain anything by scaring you people, but what I want to tell you is that come here with a clear mindset. I don't know how many people are talking about this right now. I can tell you one thing very clearly is that your journey right now in Germany will not be a very smooth one. What I can tell you guys is wait for some time. We all are hoping that the situation will improve, and definitely Germany is a very strong economy. It will definitely come back much stronger than we can even expect. So I am assuming, and even all the prediction says that the situation is going to be better by October or November this year, because by then the government will be stable and the situation is expected to be better. So if you can wait till this time, then I would highly suggest you guys, please wait. What you guys can do in this time period, like it's April now until October, where we expect that situation will be better, try applying for jobs and check what kind of responses you are getting. Even if you are getting any kind of responses or not, I would suggest you, if you are not getting any kind of response from the HR or from any kind of company, then definitely this is not the right time for you guys to move to Germany. If you are getting responses, if you are able to clear interview, then only take this decision of moving to Germany. Now, the second thing which I would like to tell you is, a lot of people are telling me that there are a lot of agencies which are pushing them and telling them that there are lots of jobs in Germany and you can go and apply there, get a job there. The agencies are pushing people a lot towards startup. स्टार्टअप इज अ ग्रेट थिंग. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स इन जर्मनी. सो अगर आप कोई स्टार्टअप ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली फर्स्ट यू विल गेट वेरी गुड सैलरी, बिकॉज स्टार्टअप गिव्स अमेजिंग सैलरी. बट अगेन आपको एक चीज ध्यान में रखना होगा कि स्टार्टअप दे फायर ऑल्सो वेरी इजीली. So they have a hire fire policy. They do not have any worker council. Most of the companies have worker council. So if you clear the probation period, like the 6 months probation period, so in big companies it's difficult. I won't say impossible, but it's kind of difficult for the employer to fire you. But startup में ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. So even after completing the probation period, आपके सर पे एक तलवार लटकी रहती है कि maybe if the company doesn't perform well, they can fire you. So अगर आप कोई स्टार्टअप ज्वाइन करने के बारे में सोच रहे हो तो ये चीज दिमाग में बिल्कुल रखना. हालांकि मैंने भी आने के बाद पहले एक स्टार्टअप ही ज्वाइन किया था, एंड आई वर्क देयर फॉर अराउंड 2 years एंड इट वाज अ रियली गुड स्टार्टअप. बट अगेन तब का सिचुएशन और अभी का सिचुएशन काफी डिफरेंट है. तब मुझे पता था कि इफ आई इवन लूज अ जॉब आई विल क्विकली गेट अनदर जॉब, बट अभी वो सिचुएशन नहीं है. ये दिमाग में जरूर रखना. So that's it guys, that's all what I wanted to tell you in this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I told in the previous video, I'm trying to grow organically and I need a lot of support from you guys. So please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with everyone. Let's make everyone aware of the market situation, and that I cannot do alone by just making a video. I need help from you guys so that you can share it with all those people, so that nobody is staying in the bubble and everybody knows the real picture of Germany right now. So that's it guys. See you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.